right, fire it up, back it up.
Today here at Speedhaus, we are here testing gauges, single turbo, 335i. He is still chasing fueling issues, but we have a good friend of ours, Jason, here, hooking up his reflex. We're gonna get into some boost and test it. So first pulls on reflex, hopefully port is firing, and that fixes the fueling issues. See how it goes. That thing is so loud. Good old Jason.
Our first loop saying beat him.
I don't think
My fuel trims are good. How about yours?
probably not so good.
Drag you.
Not until the numbers are right, baby.
Right.
You want to turn the key back on without this plugged in,
Okay.
because we don't want reflex to see any connection. Then they'll go out of bootloader mode into regular mode.
Okay.
So go ahead and put the key in and hit the start button. Leave the door open. Okay, come on out here. So you wait 5 seconds, which is now we can plug this in and we can load Tuner Pro, and you're gonna see it says it found it right away. So Reflex Plus 4.4, that's the newest hardware. So right now I'm gonna close this bin because this is Nick's bin. So there's definition file. So the definition file is how it reads stuff, and then the ADX is like the logging parameters. So both of those are there, and your Reflex Plus, so it's all 5.1. Here's N54 starter maps. So 750, you're looking for the bin file. There's the N54, N55, 750cc bin. So now it opened it. Now all the parameters are gonna be here. All right, fire it up, back it up. I would just get it just a little warm, and then just do a couple little pulls. You're good. Keep it cut, keep it cut. How's that clutch? Glorious.
We're gonna hope it does something.
Yeah, you're warm enough to get a little bit. We just want to see that trims don't do what they did before. Anything better than what happened before, right?
Right. 30 pounds or bust.
Turn her up.
Let her eat.
That was a flame. That sounded spicy.
Just because we hit that bump and I like throttled it and off.
You care to explain what?
Okay, so come to find out, we have the wrong spring in the wastegate. We have the 10-pound spring in the wastegate. We got to change it out to the 14-pound spring. So in order to do that, we got to drop the.
You ever been disappointed in a child?
It happens. Anyways, we're going to drop the lower shield. We're going to pull the wastegate out of the car and swap springs out. Hopefully we can make the correct amount of boost now. Long story short, I looked at the wrong chart, but the correct springs in for the wrong wastegate. So hopefully we can get this changed out and finally start tuning the car.
Disappointed in you.
I gotta pee.
You've got the new springs, green, blue, and black.
Yep.
Terribly bad.
Got the wastegate off. Now we gotta get the spring out. Playing with fire here.
Playing with a lot of fire. Probably take 2 out. Might not die.
Is there a normal like protocol of this or
Good advice.
good advice? Good thing we don't have one of those. Got the new spring in it.
Just like that. Me and Trevor about died trying to put the springs in, but they are in. So we can attempt to put it back in the car. Worn out.
One eternity later.
The wastegate's in.
Wastegate's in. Took us 4 hours. Don't try it. Don't try it at home. If you're gonna do it, just go ahead and drop the subframe. We decided we were going to do it without dropping the subframe. Like, okay, we got 3 people, we can knock this out. We started out with 2, maybe that was our problem. Ended up using 3 people to put the wastegate back on the car. So, if you're going to put the wastegate back on your Speedtech kit, just go ahead and pull the subframe. It's going to make your life easier. As you can tell, this is all from a wastegate. We were completely clean before we started this project. So,
And also use the right spring.
right spring. Yeah, when you're putting your turbo kit in, put the right spring in. Do lots of research and make sure it's the right spring, or you'll end up like us. We started at like 6:15 and then it's like, I don't even know what time, like 10 o'clock.
Yeah, 10 o'clock.
Yeah. So 4 hours for a wastegate, so yeah.
Worth it.
Not yet.
Time to go test it.
Yeah, we're gonna test it. Then see if it's
Yeah.
worth it. Probably put 8-pound spring in instead of the 14.
That was a good one.
Yeah, something's not reading right.
Yeah. It's reading now, right?
Yeah, I just went back and looked at the old log to see if it was reading before. And I didn't realize it was only reading when I got in it.
Gotcha.
Ready?
Yep.
See what? Golly.
Oh, it pulls.
You saw target. We hit 15.
Oh.
Are you looking at top left?
Yeah, top left is what we're making.
Logging. This pull.
Holy crap. That was insane.
That pulls.
Tell you what though.
It was still eating. It had more in it for sure. That's only 14, 15 pounds.
Yeah.
22, it's gonna.
Ready?
Yep.
Golly, that is insane. That was quite literally insane what that car just said just now. I mean, in fact, that is like nuts. Okay, third gear. We won't go as far out. Okay, ready?
Yep. I swear, every like 4 psi this thing gets, it's just.
Once Ken gets it dialed in,
Yeah.
and this thing just spools. Because right now on second, it's 5. Ready? I'm gonna hit it at 3.
Right.
Holy crap, that is. It comes on and it just hits.
Yeah. And you can tell as it goes up, it just gets.
It's like as soon as we go from like 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, boom, hits.
Yeah.
It just hits, comes on.
All right, testing the 2-step. Go for it. 52. Dude, that's real spicy. Between the blow off and the pops. Well, that was a success.